Hello everyone, today we are going to review one TWS Bluetooth earbud that serves its purpose greatly. This is HIFIMAN TWS 400 wireless earbuds, and today first we will going to unbox this and then we will talk about its design and its specification, and finally we'll look over its performance. So now let's first unbox them and then we'll know about its features and its specifications. This package includes one charging case, two wireless earbuds, 8 pairs of silicone ear tips including double flagged, triple flagged and wide bore options. So there is something for everyone in terms of comfort, fit and noise isolation on offer. You also get a short USB Type-C to Type-A cable for charging the case, one user guide and warranty card with the serial number. So now first look over its design and specification. These all plastic earbuds are grey in color and are in the shape of kidney beans. The outer parts of the earpieces have transparent patterns that allows the lights to shine through. With a physical button at the center of each one, there is a pattern on each one's button which oddly resembles the continent of South America, and small HIFIMAN logo just on the side of the both of them. These earbuds feature topology diaphragm, which refers to a special nanoparticle coating applied to its surfaces. It gives the most detailed and natural sound which truly wireless earbuds are expected to sound as. The TWS 400 comes with the latest Bluetooth 5.0 stable connectivity for up to 10 to 50 meters for seamless audio transmission. It leads to a lot more immersive audio experience with low loss. To pair the Bluetooth device, you just have to remove the earbuds from the charging case. The right side will automatically connect to the left one. The earbuds will enter pairing mode and the LED will flash as red and blue. And keep in notice that you have only 3 minutes to connect the earbuds to your device. Otherwise, the earbuds will exit and power off automatically. You can re-enter pairing mode by replacing them in the case and then extracting once more. Now open the Bluetooth function menu on your device. Then select HIFIMAN TWS 400. Once paired, you will hear the connected sound and the blue and red LEDs will stop flashing. Well, there is something that you should keep in mind is only the left earbud gets connected to your device and the right earbud will connect to the left one only. And secondly, the left and right earbuds can be used as single channel operation. And if in case you wanted to use only the left earbud, then keep the right earbud in the charging case. The left one will enter one-sided mode automatically. To return to stereo one, simply remove the right earbud from the charging case. And to use only the right one, then remove the right earbud from the case, press the button until you hear power off. Continue to press, then you will hear power on. Then you will hear pairing, then you can connect with the right earbud only. Just press them for once to pause and play the music, double press the left earbud to reduce the volume and double press the right earbud to increase the volume. Press the button of the left earbud for 3 times to turn to the next track and press 3 times of the right earbud to turn to the previous track. Just press and hold for 2 seconds to activate the phone's voice control. The earbuds is IPX4 rated to resist sweat and dirt for vigorous workouts. Its ergonomic design gives optimum comfort. As you can see that these earbuds are shaped for maximum comfort with an ultra lightweight body which is only 5.9 grams. So now we'll talk about its performance. The sound was quite different from what we have gotten used to expect in this segment, largely thanks to the HIFIMAN's unique sound tuning and the topology diaphragm. drivers that are powering the earphones. These earbuds allow you to enjoy music all day long and more with its compact charging case. It gives you total 19 hours of playtime, 5.5 hours per earbuds and additional 13.5 hours in the charging case. The charging is quite fast, as only 10 minutes of charging gives you 2 hours of playtime. So this is it for now. We avail the link of the same in the description box of this video just in case you love to check out one for yourself. So if you like this video and the information, then hit the like button and do subscribe to our YouTube channel. With this, tap to the bell icon also so that you will not miss the very next upload, because in the coming days we are going to bring some more gadget reviews and pieces of information like this. So this is Divya from Tegonity Studio. See you soon. Till then, goodbye. Take care.